Nikola Tesla once said, "Every living being is an engine geared to the wheel work of the universe." What he meant was everything that is alive in the universe is linked to the invisible spatial grid, whether it is a flower, grass, a tree, an insect, an animal, or a human. Every living being produces kinetic energy which directly resonates with the spatial grid. Through the grid, the energy is sent to the heart of the universe. Once the energy is received, it is transformed into the driving power of the universe. As in the famous science fiction movie, humans are used as a power source for the entire city, which is a similar concept. The spatial grid gap is tinier than atoms, a lot tinier. When anything happens to our cells or DNA in our body, the spatial grid receives all the signals. Actually, the transmission of energies and signals is bilateral. Every day, biokinetic and thermal energies are generated by a human body and delivered to the core of the universe. At night, when we fall asleep, the core of the universe transforms biokinetic and thermal energies into spiritual energy. Then we receive the energy through sufficient sleep. A human body is an energy field. Our mental body plays a vital role in how a human's energy field works. As what Buddhists believe, don't look back, nor forward, but around, which is telling us not to often think about the past, not to worry about the future, but to live in the present. The philosophy makes absolute sense. Every time when you look back, memories flash through your head. Meanwhile, your mental body links with the spatial grid and travels back in time right away. Likewise, when you think about the future, your mind is out of the present before you know it and enters an illusory space-time. All these phenomena happen in the blink of an eye without even being noticed. People often think about the past in our daily lives. We think about late family members and former lovers. We view photos that evoke mixed feelings, and we constantly recall the past. That is when one's mental body exists nowhere in the present. There are many light fields in a human body, and they function interactively. The mental body is also an important part of the light field. It is supposed to stay in the body to drive the energy field. Still, if the light field is frequently out of the body, one's luminous energy weakens, making our body energy decline. That is mainly why we are told to live in the present, according to Buddhist philosophy. It is common that those who are in retirement spend more time to look back, even though they don't have work stress anymore. It leads them to lose their physical strength and energy. Some people suffer from dementia or memory decline. In addition, some even become depressed, unhappy, unwilling to work, or reluctant to be around others. These are all extremely relevant to our mental body. As for those who think about the future a lot, they are in fact terrified of the uncertainty of the future. Some people overthink a lot, and the fear kicks in. It's all about the importance of being in the present. Cherish every day, make every second count. Seize every moment with your families and friends. Make every moment more meaningful in life. It's our human nature to look back, to think about the future. We don't overdo it, and it won't affect our lives. In these episodes, do you find it helpful to learn about the spatial grid and our mental body? I'm Dr. PH. This is science, not religion. I have noticed that many of us have no clue about such information. I will continuously share my knowledge with you all. Share the content and you can help more people. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.